Baka. But Nick provides his co-worker his services for free because their establishment is a success. Who wouldn't want to visit the past and see their dear and close people and relive the best moments of life? But there are those who abuse the memories. One such person is Elsa, who comes almost daily to relive a night of love with a dear one. But one day, a woman comes into the establishment who has lost her keys on her way home. The woman introduces herself as May and immediately attracts Nick's attention. She is